Waba, welcome back to Diane's channel, and we are continuing part 2 with comfort. And here we go. Look at this piece. Take it over, comfort.
Okay, there's an abstract painting. That's an abstract work. Yeah, we have an abstract work. We have the sizes and the artist, the name of the artist, and
Okay. Do you have any idea of the cost of this
yes,
particular
the cost is 10,000.
CDs?
Yes, 10,000 cities.
Guys, remember again, divide that by 14 to have an idea of the US. And here we have,
This one
Oh.
too is abstract work.
yes.
Yes, it's an abstract work. That's oil work. Oil works are the shiny ones. Yes, so this is an oil work. And this one too is abstract.
Yes.
Yeah. And so the reason why it's an abstract work is that we can see a broken pot at the same time the person is bathing. And so with that, it's an abstract work. You can't use a broken pot to bath. It's not possible.
My god sister back home in Jamaica is an artist, so I'm sure when she looks at some of this, she'll appreciate the art. What we have here, look at this.
Yeah. This one too is a model lady. She's a model girl. That's the name of the title. Then we have the sizes. This one too is acrylic on canvas. Yeah, it's an acrylic on canvas.
Okay.
That one too is 5,000.
5,000 Ghana CDs.
Yeah,
Okay.
one is 5,000. And we have
This is
another-
interesting.
Yeah, this one too is a woman selling fish. That one too is abstract work. It's oil work, oil on canvas.
Okay. Ah, look at this.
Yeah, this one is a model. A model. That's the title of the work. That's model. It's 5,000. 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here.
And this is acrylic on canvas. That one too is 5,000. 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Guys, there's a lot, so I'm just trying to go through a few
Yes.
and share with you and show you.
And this one is 2022. That's this year
Yes.
work.
Yes.
That's Mr. Juma. The name of the title. And so it's oil on canvas. That's 3,000. Yeah.
Right here. This one here. This one?
Okay. This one too is an abstract work. We can see people, a woman helping themselves with a cocoa. We have a cocoa around them, and they are gathering it. And so this one too is 5,000.
CDs.
5,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay. Ah, right here. Haha.
And we have this. This one is oil work. Yes.
Beauty.
A beauty.
Yes.
That one is a beauty.
Yes, yes,
So-
yes.
We can see the earrings, the face. So this one is a realistic work.
Yes.
It's real because we can see the person beauty.
Yes,
Beauty.
yes,
The
yes,
beauty
yes,
is
yes.
beauty is real. So we can see everything. We can see the forehead, the face, the mouth. Everything here is real. So it's a realistic work. That one is 10,000.
10,000
10,000
CDs.
cedis, yeah.
Okay.
And we have this too. A
Oh, sorry.
beautiful
Ah,
lady. This one
Oh.
is beauty.
Yes.
This one is black and white. That's it's a oil work.
yeah.
The scarf is oil.
Yes.
Yes. So we have the earrings and so it's oil work. That's black and white. This one too is 10,000.
CDs.
10,000 cedis. That's the year. The year is 2021. That's last year work.
Yes.
Yes. That's a paper.
Sorry, Comfort. Could you repeat
Okay.
that for me, please? This
Yeah.
is a.
This is a mixed media work. At the same time, it's realistic. Realistic work. We can see the what do you call the lady face. You can see the color of the lady, the dress, and everything here. And the reason why it's called a mixed media is that the background is what? It's a paper. The background is paper work, and we have what do you call a cloth at the same time. We have a fabrics works at the side of her. She's wearing a fabrics, and at the background too is what? is paperwork. So the name of the work is mixed media. That's 2 or more. Mixed media means 2 or more colors that they have joined together.
Excellent.
And this is the fabrics work. A fabric work. Everything that is fabric, everything that is cloth.
Yes.
The name of the artist is Jeffrey. The year is 2021.
Yes.
Yes, that's last year.
Yes.
So that's fabric work.
Fabric work.
Fabrics work. Fabrics works are cloth work. So everything that is fabrics. So that one is 1. That's mono. Mono means 1.
Okay.
Yes, mono means 1. And
Let's zoom over. Wow, this.
This
Talk
one
to us.
The name of the artist is Paul. That's 2020. 2020. That's last 2 years. It's oil work. This oil work.
2020.
2020. That's last year.
How much would this painting be?
10,000.
10,000 CDs.
10,000 CDs.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
10,000 CDs.
Oil painting.
This one is oil painting. Yes.
Yes.
Oil painting.
Yes.
It's an oil painting.
Guys, I cannot get everything, but I'm doing my best to carry on.
And this is Home Alone. She's home alone, so she's feeling comfortable. Ask my name. She has removed herself. She wants air. She wants air. So this Home Alone, she's just home and she's relaxed, removing herself. She wants air to pass through her. So this is
1 minute comfort. She wants air to pass through her.
her body, so that she will feel relaxed. So this, what do you call oil work? That's what we call oil on canvas. Yes. So
This will be how much? How much will this cost?
This one is 10,000.
10,000 CDs.
Ghana cedis.
So right now you're quoting strictly Ghana CDs,
Yes,
correct?
I'm quoting the Ghana cedis. Yeah.
And look at this here.
And these ones are models. They are models.
Yes.
These ones are models, yes. They're having a curved shape, and they are talking
Yes.
whilst carrying something. So this is an abstract work.
Yes.
The reason why it's abstract work is that we can't see their faces, but we can see 3 human beings walking around.
Yes,
So this one is abstract work.
And how much would this be?
This one is just 10,000 cedis.
10,000 CDs, guys.
It was last year when that's AJ. The name of the artist is Mr. AJ. So it was last year, that's 10,000 cedis. And we have this too. This is a nice work also. We have this one too is abstracts. We can see a human beings over there, but we can't see their faces. We can see their legs, they are moving forward. So this one too is 5,000. It was
CDs.
5,000 CDs. That's last year work.
Okay.
It's also nice work. This one is oil work. And we have Unity.
Oh.
Unity means
Another
one.
unity piece.
Yes, another unity piece. Togetherness.
Yes.
Togetherness. One. They are all one searching for one thing. They are searching for a goal. This is the goal. The goal is the top of it. They are all searching for one goal. So it's a unity. They are one searching for one thing. So they are in unity. Only one person is not searching it for a goal. They are not selfish. They have just come together searching for one thing.
What's the cost of something for Unity?
Yes.
Comfort? How much would the Unity cost?
Unity is 10,000.
10,000 CDs.
Yes.
Guys, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Part 3 is on its way. Thank you. Medasi. God bless.